Okay, opening up my first pack of Phantasmal Flames. I hate opening Pokemon packs for this exact reason. I mean, blisters are really cool, but this little piece of cardboard really makes it hard. Don't worry, I don't struggle that hard. I have a phone stand, so that's why I'm using two hands. Hopefully there's a good hit in here. Please open. Screw this. Oh, yes. Okay. First card, Darumaka. Then we have a Lotad, cute art, Boltund, Baneri, Cresselia, a Dawn, that's a cool trainer, Wigglytuff, Toxtricity, another cool art, I love that, Apom, and Dawn Full Art Trainer, oh yeah, and a Basic Energy. No one cares about that, but I care about that.